Best deals.
1. Frying pan. Its ability to retain heat ensures even cooking, and as this frying pan is rugged, you can confidently use metal ladles without worrying about damaging its surface. This pan comes pre-seasoned with vegetable oil, ensuring long-lasting durability and effortless maintenance. The heat-proof glass lid features a food-grade silicone rim. Product link is given in the first link. 2. Tawa. Comes in 26 cm diameter size and is compatible on induction oven and gas stove for maximum cooking flexibility in your kitchen. Product link is given in the second link. 3. Drainer stand. Elevate your rice pot with this stand for quick and effective draining. It neatly holds your pot while draining excess water, also fits various pot sizes, can use as fruit, beans, noodle strainer and ensures durability for long-lasting kitchen convenience. Product link is given in the third link. 4. Dishwash cloth. With its multi-purpose design, this wire dishwashing rag is perfect for both wet and dry cleaning tasks, making it ideal for kitchen sinks, pots, pans, and more. Crafted from high-quality materials, our wire cleaning cloth is built to last through numerous cleaning sessions. Product link is given in the fourth link. 5. Milk pan. Ideal for boiling milk. Also suitable for making kheer, firni, bechamel sauce, custards. Extra thick 3 mm tri-ply stainless steel, food will not stick and burn even with less oil. Stay cool stainless steel handles, designed for comfortable handling even when the pan is hot. Product link is given in the fifth link. 6. Flat mop. Equipped with a 360 degrees rotating joint, this mop easily reaches tight spaces, corners, and under furniture, ensuring a thorough clean without missing any spots. The flexible movement allows smooth navigation across different surfaces, making housework effortless and efficient. The premium microfiber mop pad offers superior absorbency and dirt trapping ability. It removes stains, dust, and hair efficiently. Product link is given in the sixth link. 7. Corer tool. Stainless steel twin blades with sharp, serrated tips designed to smoothly core through any apple, pears, bell peppers. Product link is given in the seventh link. 8. Coffee mug. Free from harmful chemicals like BPA, formaldehyde, and melamine and no toxic chemicals used in manufacturing. It is also dishwasher safe and microwave safe. Product link is given in the 8th link. 9. Oil sprayer. Upgraded spray spout delivers an even mist for consistent oil distribution while preventing leaks and mess during pouring. Designed to work as both an oil sprayer and a pour dispenser. Product link is given in the 9th link. 10. Storage bag. Made of clear, non-toxic, food-grade safe, reusable, freezable, convenient, durable, space-saving. It greatly reduces your waste outputs. Product link is given in the 10th link. 11. Storage rack. Is made with a strong frame that resists scratches, stains, and daily wear. Its solid structure provides steady support, ensuring it stays in shape even with regular use. Perfect for keeping your space neat and organized, it adds both strength and style to any room. It's made from top-grade heavyweight non-toxic plastic that resists scratches and chips with a smooth and glossy finish that never fades, able to withstand the wear and tear of everyday life. Modular drawer storage. Product link is given in the 11th link. 12. Pressure cooker. Is designed to make cooking easier and more efficient. This innovative kitchen essential is perfect for light frying before pressure cooking, offering a multifunctional cooking experience. Crafted with 3 mm extra thick triple stainless steel. Product link is given in the 12th link. 13. Chopper. Designed for diverse chopping needs. Ultra sharp chopping blade and beater for chopping veggies, nuts, and herbs. And making salsas, condiments, dressings, and more. 3 sharp stainless steel blades, blade protector, beater, spatula, a capacious container, and a detachable lid for seamless chopping. Regulate the chopping speed according to your preference, low speed for a coarse finish and high speed for a fine finish. Product link is given in the 13th link. 14. Cook kettle. Simplify your meal prep and save precious time with the ability to boil, cook, and steam using just one appliance, perfect for busy moms like you. With 600 watts of power, the electric kettle cum cooker heats up rapidly, allowing you to prepare delicious meals quickly and giving you more time to focus on other important tasks. The steaming function locks in nutrients in vegetables and other foods, ensuring you can provide your loved ones the healthiest and most nutritious meals possible. The stainless steel inner and removable trays make cleaning up a breeze, giving you more time to relax and enjoy quality moments with your family after a delicious meal. No need to buy additional accessories for various cooking tasks, as the included steamer for momos and vegetables and boiler trays for idli and eggs make this a convenient and cost-effective solution for busy moms like you. This innovative kettle is more than just a kettle. With a range of cooking modes. Boil water or milk for baby food as senior citizen, prepare tea, coffee, soups, stews and any liquid food with ease, all in one compact appliance. The spacious 1.2 L capacity is perfect for cooking meals for one or for the entire family. Save time and energy with the ability to prepare larger quantities in a single batch. Cleaning up has never been easier. Superior version of non-stick coating, the ceramic coating prevents food from sticking to the kettle, making it a breeze to clean. Spend less time scrubbing and more time savoring your culinary creations, so you can spend less time in the kitchen and more time enjoy power. Equipped with a robust 600W motor, this kettle ensures quick and efficient cooking. Experience faster boiling and cooking times for your meals. The sleek and compact design of our multi-cook kettle not only saves valuable counter space but also adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. It's a stylish addition that complements any kitchen decor. Tailor your cooking experience to your needs with our multi-power modes. Whether you need a rapid boil or a gentle simmer, the adjustable power settings allow you to customize the cooking process for optimal results. They allow you to see the food as it cooks without lifting the lid, helps reduce mess and is energy efficient and looks more modern and stylish, enhancing the overall appearance of your kitchenware. The double-walled electric kettle is extremely safe to handle as the exterior does not heat up and remains cool to the touch. The kettle comes with a detachable glass lid so you can keep an eye on your food while it's cooking. It also has a detachable 360 degrees rotating base. It also has a 1.2 meters long wire. Prepare dishes in a jiffy. You can use our multi-purpose electric kettle to prepare boiled eggs, pasta, soups, noodles, oatmeals and more. The electric kettle has dry boil protection which means it won't switch on if there is no water inside. Product link is given in the 14th link.